If you want to save literally hundreds of hours worth of frustration and thousands of dollars, stick with me. I'm going to show you something on this video that's literally going to change everything for you if you're trying to build a real business online. If you're buying lots of other different types of products and services that are promising you 3 clicks and, instant riches, if you're just somebody who's like completely new to this and you want to figure out how to do that, this video is for you. I want to show you something called Taking Action Online. Now, this is the training that I first started with online. Is how I literally built my own business. Now, my own business makes thousands of dollars every single month, and this is a business that's grown literally from this training. Now, there's 2 main aspects to this training. This training concentrates on mental side of building a business and the actual nuts and bolts of actually building a blog or a YouTube channel. The mental side of building a business is the one that's most critical. And by the way, guys, this is literally $1. You can go ahead and jump over to the sales page. You'll see the link in the description below and in the pinned comment. Jump over to the sales page and buy into this for $1. That's all you're going to pay. So once you get inside, you're going to see a number of really, really cool things. One is really, unmentioned by a lot of people, is the need to have a community of people that are like-minded that you can actually go ahead and talk to. It can be a very lonely business being a solopreneur, and being a solopreneur you need other people to talk to and ask questions to, and this is kind of a Facebook type community which is only Taking Action Online folks that are actually bought into the program. That's it. So I love this. I'm in this all the time. You talk to people, you get to know people. This is what is really critical. Then you get the foundation module. Now, the foundation module is all of the things you need to know when you're first starting out building a business. So what type of ways can you make money online with Taking Action Online? What is passive income? People always talk about passive income. What really is it? And all of those different topics that are going to really give you a grounding about the actual money aspect and the business aspect of building that business. But once you jump into the 7-step action plan here, you're going to jump into first something called the success blueprint. Now, this is the best piece of the training by far. These traits, these behaviors are something that I have done year on year for absolutely God knows how long, and it's something that's held me back so many times. When my mind starts wandering, I start doubting myself, I start concentrating too much on the numbers, I start thinking about where's the money coming in and when's it coming in, all of the kind of behaviors that hold you back in business. This is going to show you in a very, very brutally honest way where you're going wrong. So there's lots of different topics here. As you can see, 5 issues all successful marketers struggle with. How long does it take to take money online? A question is literally impossible unless you know somebody's skill set, what they're trying to concentrate on, etc. Overthinking, fear of failure, so nobody wants to fail, so overthinking that. Imposter syndrome, which is another one. People come online, they don't think they're good enough, or they're beautiful enough, or whatever it may be. All of these things are included in this training. So just this section here is literally about 10 minutes of video, and just this section here is worth literally hundreds of dollars, guys, because it can save you so much time and really give you the mindset to build a real business. Once you get into the action plan itself is a nuts and bolts about how to actually go ahead and pick a niche. So what area are you going to build your business in? What's the topic going to be? What's the best way to get a big niche like dieting and kind of really drill that down into, say, maybe dieting for over 50s or something, and then maybe dieting for over 50 women or something, so niche down so you really understand a very core audience that you can go and head and target with your content, with your promotions, with whatever it may be you want to create to make money online. And then these modules, all of this type of information is about how to start building out your websites, how to start building out a YouTube channel, whatever you want to do, and then how to start making the most of that to actually build a real business, a real foundation for your business. So this is the nuts and bolts of everything you need to know to put a proper foundation in for your business. So guys, for $1, this is literally ridiculous value. And I use this still every single day. I'm on this training every day. I'm reminding myself about certain aspects of my own business. I come back to this foundation training and the success blueprint to kind of look at my behaviors and think maybe I shouldn't be overthinking this. Maybe I should just get on with it. It's really, really critical that you learn all this stuff before you start online. So if you're interested in this, guys, you'll see a link in the description below. Jump over to this page here. All you need to do is get started here. It's literally $1. Look, $1 one-time payment. Go and jump in for $1. You're going to see a lot of information on here that is literally invaluable, guys. It's going to save you hundreds. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested, go ahead and hit the link in the description below. Until next time, take care.